Have you ever felt like you're winning in life, but somewhere along the way, you're losing yourself? You're chasing success, applause, and numbers, yet forgetting the biggest blessing you already have: your health. This is the story of Arham, a man who thought he was building his dream life, until his body reminded him what truly matters. Once there lived a man named Arham. He was a dreamer, a man who wanted to give his family everything. Every morning, before the sun rose, he would rush to work. He skipped breakfasts, missed sunsets, and forgot what peace felt like. People called him successful, but his heart longed for rest. Days turned into months, and months into years. Arham kept running, chasing meetings, targets, and deadlines. "I'll rest when I'm rich," he would say. He earned everything he wanted, except peace. His eyes grew tired, and his heart grew heavier. One night, while returning home, Arham felt his heart tremble. The world blurred for a moment, and he fell to his knees. His body whispered, "Please stop." But he had ignored too many whispers. That night, his dreams faded into the beeping sound of hospital machines. The doctor said gently, "You worked so hard to build your world, but forgot to take care of yourself." Arham looked out of the hospital window, sunlight touching his face for the first time in weeks. In that quiet moment, he realized the true meaning of wealth was life itself. When Arham returned home, he made a promise: to live, not just survive. He started walking in the park, eating fruits and spending time with his family. He prayed at dawn and smiled at every sunrise. Slowly, his heart healed. And so did his soul. Today, Arham still works hard, but with balance and peace. He knows now that health is the real wealth. For money can buy comfort, but never time. And the richest man is the one who wakes up healthy and thankful, because true success is to live with peace inside. Dear friends, what we learned from Arham's story is that life is like a mirror. It shines only when you take care of yourself first. True wealth is not found in your bank. It lives in the smiles that wait for you at home. Arham realized that every hug from his child was worth more than gold. Work gives purpose, but balance gives peace. Arham still works, but now he pauses to breathe, to walk in nature, and to thank God for another morning. In the end, Arham learned the greatest truth: health is the real wealth. So dear friends, take care of your body. It's the home of your soul. And if you like the message of this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.